Hello, today we will be doing online investing and we will be using TD Ameritrade because that is what I already have an account with. So as you can see, I already have my login and password already put in. We log into the site. I currently do not have any money in here. I'm a broke college kid, so I can't afford it right now, but it's usually what I use. But it's pretty simple to use. So let's say you want to look at Apple stock. We already have the ticker up for Apple. This can be easily found, or you can just search Apple. And after doing that, you can see the price is currently trading at $217.25. It's down $4.75 on the day. So if you invested earlier, you'd be losing money currently. You can check to see if how it's done on the year, 3-year period. Even if you want to just do over the past, maybe five days, you can see how it's doing. And it gives you a whole lot of other information that as you invest more will make more sense to you. Just different ranges, volatility, the cap. As you can see, it's a $1 trillion cap, which is the largest company in the world right now. It allows you to use other things too. It's not just all the numbers with it. There's news surrounding the company. It gives you different articles you could read. A lot of times it has to do with politics. You see right here Trump's tariffs. A lot of times the things he says and does directly affect stocks, so it's always good to keep up with politics and other news. As you can see, they're a global company, so a lot of these articles are related to things that are happening in the world. But yeah, there's a lot of different other things you can look at as you become more used to it. But it's just good to start with a company like Apple that's large. There's other, say like IBM. You can just do any really large company. I would suggest for when you first start, due to being a little safer to invest in, not as risky. They are pretty expensive stock. So if you're not looking for something in the 100 range, maybe something like Walmart. I don't know the ticker, so I can just type it in. It's WMT, so you can do it either way. $93, also fairly expensive, but it's, if you look at it over a 3-year period, it's fairly steady. It's increased, so it's a good place to put your money in instead of leaving it in a bank where it will basically decrease over time. The interest on it will be so low that you basically will be losing money leaving your money in the bank. So it's good to have something that's like the money is going to be increasing at an interest rate above the U.S. inflation rate, so you are always making money. And for now, that's just the basic overview. This is just for stocks. As you can see up here, there's a lot of different things like in retirement. You can do educational things to learn more about it. So it offers like an endless amount of things. And if you really don't feel comfortable doing it on your own, you could always go to client services and actually pay more to talk to a financial advisor or someone that really knows how to invest, so they can help you with your money, because it's obviously very important to not be losing a lot of money. But yeah, so there's obviously endless things to do with TD Ameritrade, and I would highly suggest it to anyone looking to invest.